tryna break it down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh. So for today's video, it's going to be something super duper simple and easy. Anybody can follow it. If you're 10, 9, 20, 50, 12, you can follow this tutorial. So if you're interested in watching it and seeing how I achieve these nails, just stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to need is a foam board or something sturdy that you can put your nails and your tape on. And we're going to be using clear tape. I got mine from Walmart. So what you want to do is actually fold over the tape. You're going to rip a piece off and then you're going to fold the tape over so that both sides are sticky. And this is where we're going to be sticking our nails on. Okay, so once we stick the tape onto a foam board, you're going to have to get your colors. I got my colors from Amazon and I got my base from Amazon. Of course, I'm going to leave all of the information down below in the description. So before I start to work on my sister's nails, I have to make myself another thumb because my nail popped off and I lost it. Usually when it pops off, you could just glue it back on with crazy glue or nail glue, whichever one you have on hand. But I could not find the nail that popped off, so I have to make a whole nother tip. And the one that I lost was orange, so I'm just gonna go ahead and color myself a orange thumbnail. So then what I'm gonna do is basically paint the nails. Basically, that's why this is such an easy tutorial, because you're basically just gluing the nails down to something and you're painting the nails before you put them on your actual fingernails. So I have a bunch of nails here that I'm going to be painting for my little sister. I'm sending them off to her in the mail. So I'm just going to alternate the colors. Some are going to be orange, then we have lime green, then we have a neon yellow, then we have a neon purple, and a blue. So I'm just going to alternate the colors, and I want to make sure that I'm getting the entire nail, which means around the edges, on the tips, and everything. We want to make sure everything is colored. And because the nails are neon, we do not have to do a bunch of coats. I'm only going in with one coat. And I forgot to mention that if you guys are interested in purchasing these shaped nails, I will have all of the information in the description. So yeah, like I said, I'm just going to continue to paint the nails. I'm only doing one coat and I'm going to make sure I'm painting the entire nail. Once I'm done, I will be back to you guys. Well, actually I won't, because again, this tutorial is super easy. You guys don't need to watch me paint my nails. I'm just showing you guys exactly how you do it. So once you're done painting the nails and putting on the top coat, the only thing you have to do is file the sides of the nails, because there will be some leftover polish residue if you paint it over it. And that is it, guys. Super easy, super simple. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it's easy for you guys to recreate these nails. Let me know in the comments. Again, thank you for watching. Till next time, bye.